nella ciencia.
What's up YouTube, it is OBL aka Ottawa Bike Life, back with another wheelie POV video. Today I'm going to do a little bike check on the Big Ripper, the 2018 Big Ripper. She's custom, you know, I'll go through that. But yeah, I'm going to try to find an area to do this bike check. There's lots and lots of construction going on. Damn. Jeez, that makes humongous damn holes. Wow. Interesting. Fun spot. Is looking for a beginner bike? I'd say, depending on your height, like if you're a smaller kid, go with like a 20-inch, or even if you're like a really small kid, like 6 years old, if you're trying to wheelie, 16-inch, 12-inch wheelbase, that is. If you're bigger, on a, I don't know, like, I think I'm 5'5", 5'6", so short, but you know, still. I've had this bike for 2 years and I love it. I've upgraded a few things. Other than that, most of this bike is stock. Like, I traded my buddy for these handlebars, put a bunch of donuts, avid brake lever, Shimano brake arms, and cool stock brake pads. Different pedals, different chain, different freewheel, different tires. Got the reflex kit, Spicy Gear BikeLife, Joe Mama Cycles. Yeah, all the people who keep my bike fresh and working very nicely and smooth. See downtown Ottawa, construction everywhere. It's gonna get colder now. That means no more riding, which kind of sucks. But I will try to pump out as much content as possible. But spring is gonna be lit. Cannot wait. A few Sudbury boys are gonna pull up. It's gonna be a movie. So starting off with the bars, I have SC honking bars, I'm pretty sure. They're the white ones, they're a little bit wider. My friend gave me this Avid brake lever, very good. This is a stock brake cable, silver. Stock mushroom grips, super comfortable. I got 3 donuts. Got the SE stem. Got the reflex kit. Joe Mama Cycles. Stock fork. Spoke skins. And then V-Tire Co. 29 by 2.1. Then I got the stock SE seat. And this thingy, forget what that's called. Then I got the Shimano, I think they're mid-range brake arms, very, very responsive. Then I got the Cool Stops, the mountain bike version with the salmon, it's like a half and half compound. Then I got some pedals from my bike shop, stock crank arms and chain ring. I think this is a KMC chain. Stock pegs with grip tape, and then same thing, I got spoke skins. And that's the bike check, honestly. Yeah.
Nella ciencia. Young cutter, make it bang, ho.
I just filmed the little bike check, going over everything. One thing I didn't mention, you know, Spicy Gear BikeLife, #1 supporter, day one. Ride around for a bit, and hopefully this video is entertaining. Yeah. Wow. That used to be a huge abandoned building. Sheesh. Ooh, 6 degrees. That's manageable. A little lot. Making these YouTube videos is so fun. I remember watching like all those bike life YouTubers and being like, oh, I can never do that. Pick up a camera, get on your bike and go ride. All about having fun on the bikes. That's what bike life is to me. People think we're doing bad stuff out here. We're just trying to ride bikes and have fun and actually stay out of trouble. I swear, some people rather see us do bad stuff than, you know, hop on a bike and have fun. Worst thing we'll do is disturb a little bit of traffic. That's why I don't really do that traffic work no more. And if you get hit, you're screwed, man. It's not worth it for the clout and the views. Ooh, I cased the shit out of that. All the animals are out today. Hey, watch out, my guy. Here, no, don't go. Don't you chomp on me, bruh.